Hello guys, Phoenix here with Isor,
Hello.
and we are the current core team developing MicroBit, and this is our first, hopefully, weekly development log. So we'll just hop into the game and talk about what the game is about. So, MicroBit is a sort of voxel-based um, vehicle builder. It is node-based as opposed to grid-based, which is an important distinction to make, and I shall give a demonstration of what that makes easier in a second. I am building a hover type vehicle, and I believe Isor is building a wheeled vehicle. So,
I am.
if I go and find these just basic prisms we've got here, I should be able to build off, as you can see here, I can build off the... I can't place one there. I can build off the faces of a prism, like so, allowing me to build at weird angles, like this, which is part of the node system that we are using. Allows you to do this. So, currently you can have detached objects. We haven't done a check for that yet. But there are bugs and issues with the game. We are in the second week of development, and I've only been really working on this for about a bit over a week. So,
And I guess that's something we should mention, that the project was initially created and by me and inspired by, certain games.
certain games.
Certain games.
Right, so our little hover repeller sci-fi blade thingies. And now we can drive the vehicle. If I click tab to go into play mode, we have got our hover vehicle, which can be moved up and down with shift and space. And it can go around, and as you see, it is moving exactly as you would expect a hover vehicle to move. I can do jumps. I may end up upside down here. Are we going to? Nope. We end up the right way up. That is fine. Okay, so another important feature, if I go back into the build mode, is we can save these vehicles. Basic hover.
I think
And
if you're
then-
using the Dropbox version, then you could even load mine.
Yes, we are currently running this build from Dropbox, and I believe Isor's vehicle. I can load his vehicle that he is building right now, or has just built. And as you see, it drives around like a wheeled vehicle would. Now, one of the reasons this is important is because if we open our escape menu, go back to the main menu, we can play multiplayer games. So if you would like to set up a server, and I will join it. Okay, so I can join server.
Yeah.
And you see that cube over there? That cube is Isor. And
It's
Isor
me.
can see me. So
I
if
can
we
see you.
load up the basic hover. Oh. There we go. It took a little bit there. Click tab. Can you see me moving around? Oh, you loaded from my point. Oh, nice wheels. Your wheels did not load in properly for me.
Oh,
We
alright.
currently have
That
a
is-
few synchronizing issues.
There we go.
They still aren't loaded in properly.
Oh, they aren't?
No, just do it a few times.
How about I load the hover?
Oh, okay.
You load
We are
the wheels.
apparently having an issue with
Networked tires.
yes. Oh, yeah.
I see.
Oh.
I see the issue.
I'm just having an issue loading tires altogether.
Oh, you are?
Can you not see the vehicle?
I can see the vehicle. It's pretty messed up.
I must not have. We're both using hovers. Yet again, 2 weeks in, we obviously have some bugs. But yeah, as you can see, we are both on a server on his computer currently. Currently, they're just local servers.
You should do the jump.
The jump. You mean go up?
Double jump. Well, no, double space.
Oh, what does double space do?
Look, I just jumped. I'll jump over you. All right, stay there. Stay there.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Hey, stop moving. Hey, what are you doing?
You started lagging out there.
Alright, here we go.
I didn't know that was a thing. That's
Oh, you didn't?
I didn't know that was a thing. See, I'm learning stuff. You can press double space to jump, guys. But yeah, we do plan on having some game modes later. If you would like to talk about those.
My document open. I had it closed because we were doing so much stuff in Unity. Okay. So it's something I think a lot of people want, just because of like the speed of these hovers, is kind of inspired the idea of a race game mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. It will have combat, which will be chosen whether you have combat or not. So,
okay, I believe I've crashed here. So if you would like to take a pause there.
Yep.
I'll rejoin the server. Alright, so I'm going to set up a server. Alright, so we are back on a server that I am hosting. Just to demonstrate me hosting a server. Oh, good job.
This is... Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
there we go.
both spawn on the same node. That is an issue, but it's not a big issue. Okay, so I believe you were talking about game modes.
I was. Okay, so the next game mode that, it's a common game mode, is Deathmatch, which is team versus team. Its team size is of, I'm thinking, at least 4. I think that's a good number.
I mean, obviously it will depend on how many people are playing the game. Obviously, if the game actually gets played after release, then team sizes will be increased to house the additional players.
Yeah, hopefully we can have deathmatch games of 4v4, which will only be possible if we do get enough support and backing on this.
You can join our Discord server, in fact, which will be in the description, and it will show up at the end of the video. So there you can talk to us, and we also post build releases there. Each dev build will have the release we are showcasing in the description as well, so you can download it that way. Nope. So, yeah, if you want to continue with the game modes there.
Right. So an adaptation on the deathmatch game mode is the Leviathans, which will be the same as deathmatch, but the goal, rather than killing an entire team, is just to kill the other team's Leviathan. And a Leviathan is a vehicle that is of a much higher components count. So a much larger vehicle.
Yes, and I mean, by much larger component count, we mean, like, much larger. Like, these are intended to be very large vehicles. And, you know, obviously, because you want to get, like, a 10-minute match out of it, and there needs to be a big enough size difference that is going to realistically happen.
Think of these vehicles right now as RC vehicles. And the Leviathans are going to be about, I'd say, 8 to 10 times larger.
I mean, it'll all be in the balancing.
Yeah, but my vision
yeah.
of it, I kind of see a size like that. Oh, I didn't even double tap space and I jumped up into the air. All right.
Cool. But apart from that, I believe that is all we have to talk about.
I believe so. That seems like.
So yeah, I guess we will be.
Well, actually,
we've got something
we
else.
might want to. Yeah. The other game modes that these aren't all the game modes. There are a lot more that we have ideas for. More information will be in the Discord. Just go join the Discord and ask questions
Make
to
suggestions, play the game.
yeah, suggestions, play the game, and ask questions. I'm always online, always as in when I'm awake.
Yeah, I'm
So,
usually available to answer questions, generally not instantly though. Because I have a life.
well, yeah. See, my life is this game right now.
Yeah, so I believe we shall leave it there. The next devlog will be in a week, and it'll probably be shorter because we aren't going to have to recap 2 weeks of progress and give background for the game. So, yeah. I hope to see you guys again in a week, and I hope you join the Discord and download the game and play the game, give us feedbacks, help us find bugs, etc., etc. The game is definitely planned to be free with cosmetics that you can buy if you want to, but in all fairness, we're doing this because we enjoy it. We aren't doing it because we necessarily want to get paid loads of money. Neither of us really have much expense that we need to pay, so this isn't a big thing. Either way,
It's a fun project.
yeah, we will leave it there, and goodbye, guys.